Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the power factor saver rating matches your panel voltage and estimated load current. This avoids overload. Once done, shut off the main breaker and clear workspace to avoid live contact hazards. You mount the unit close to the distribution board for short wiring runs, then connect live, neutral, and earth to the labeled terminals. Make sure each terminal is tight. Loose connections cause heat and errors. You will restore power only after double-checking wiring and torque on clamps. You power the panel and watch the device go through its startup sequence. LEDs indicate status and automatic delay prevents inrush misreads. Next, measure voltage, current, and baseline power factor using a true RMS meter to see the effect. Once you know where you stand, adjust capacitor banks or controller set points to achieve the target cosine phi. Do this in small steps and allow readings to stabilize between changes. Make sure to document settings so you can reproduce successful tuning later. You run representative load cycles and confirm the power factor improvement stays consistent under varying demand. Log voltage, current, and corrected power factor every 15 minutes for 1 to 2 hours. If trips or oscillations occur, recheck wiring polarity, neutral balance between phases, and look for harmonic distortion from nonlinear loads, which can fool the controller. If instability persists, revert to previous settings, isolate suspicious loads, and consult the manufacturer. The log you kept will speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.